Take a look at this. This is a video that I showed you a few days ago, talking about what I thought would happen in the price, right? The altcoins and the Bitcoin chart. I'm going to show you this real quick. Take a listen. That's what this yellow line represents. There's still actually a bit more room for it to come down. I wonder what's going to happen in relation to the news narrative that will cause the markets to come down. I've been saying it for a while that I think that Bitcoin will eventually come down and touch this green line. And if you watch my last I was gonna say 2 months worth of videos, maybe a month worth of videos when it comes to technical analysis, this is what I've been showing you. So real quick, let's just take a look at what's going on. You can see over here, this is the altcoins. This was the chart that I was trying to show you with the bull flag, right? How usually when we see a breakout of the bull flag, it usually comes down to test it one more time. Let me show you what else was in this video. Let me skip it forward a bit. You can see where I'm forecasting it to come. If we do come down to this, let's say it's not this month, it's the next month. We're looking about $96,000 to $97,000. I think Bitcoin could come down there. So I thought it was coming down to this green line. Take a quick look. So this is where we are, right? Now this red line is starting to appear. It's hard to see when someone shows you analysis. It's hard to see. And I'm not doing anything special, guys. All I'm doing is looking at past data that I've seen in the past that shows me that it might happen again. So, in this example it looks very similar to what happened here, this whole structure. If you take a look back here, when we reached this 50-week moving average, by the way, like and subscribe, once we broke up out of this, off this orange line, we came above this green line, we then rolled over. That's what this yellow resembles. We rolled over. You can see the red candle. A candle came down, it touched this green line, and then off and away we went, right? Then we saw a massive price up. So now imagine this whole area here where this red candle and this green candle's on the orange line. It's just like this bit here. This red candle and green line, candle met with this orange line. We broke above it, and all we had to do is play this part right here where we roll over, come down to bounce it, so we can go off and away we go. And that's what's played out so far. Well, we're almost there. So I'm still expecting it to come down to there. Right now, this green thing it moves on a weekly basis. It's saying about $96,000. Price could still actually come below it, pierce through it, and then have a wick candle, just like what we see here, these wicks that bought, because the price will be bought up, right? But I don't think it would fall anywhere below here. At least that's what I think. If for any reason it did fall below here, and we started seeing huge devastation candles, right? Expect it to come down to this orange line again, which right now is about $84,000. But I don't know if it will. I'm watching that. I'm watching obviously the altcoins as well. This is looking good now because it's done what I need it to do. You can see I drew this yellow line squiggly. It's been like that for ages. And then obviously I'm expecting some form of a V-shaped recovery, right? The V-shaped recovery would be great because then over the next few months, you might see some serious excitement, because right now, all people care about is that I'm losing money. This is crap. It's over. It's done. I'm down. No one wants to buy. You see, new money, if they're looking or if they're here still, they don't want to buy this because it pisses them off. They hate losing. Everybody, I hate losing money. And people are scared to buy cryptocurrency when it's down like this. But this is where I've kept my emotions aside for many years of trading, and I've tried to look for signals on when I should be buying. And the time, this is not financial advice, but for me, the time to buy, and patrons, you've been seeing what I've been buying, right? Is when we see, big dark red candles. Oh, it's not really dark red, just big drop candles like this, just collapsing all of the altcoins and everything else, giving people perfect opportunities to buy. If you don't want to miss what I'm doing, I will keep you up to date on this chart to see where it's going to go. Well, you can see the vision, right? I personally think that we should hold support here. If we get support off of this, then we can start to see altcoins come back up. Maybe at the time recording this video, or at the time of you watching this video, you're already seeing altcoins come up. But if not, you should see it over the next months, or the next 2 to 3 months. At least I think so. And I think by come August actually might be a nice positive vibe. People will start to feel confident again and good in crypto, and some excitement might come. You might see narratives come alive again, like the AI and the meme coins. So we'll see what happens, right? But if you don't want to miss this stuff, become a Patreon. Links in the info section. They're always going to see what I'm doing. They can see when I'm buying, when I'm selling. We are focused over there. We're not like guessing stuff. I'm showing them exactly what I'm doing. I've been telling you guys for a long time that this would come, and now we're here. So let's just sit back and see what happens over the next few weeks. I think that it will blow over, and I do feel like we're seeing great buy opportunities for cryptos right now, and just take this opportunity personally to maybe dollar cost average on some coins that you like and stack up on your bags. At least that's what I'm thinking of doing anyway. So yeah, I'll keep you up to date with this. This is the weekly time frame, so I'll keep you up to date to see what happens, you know, in the short term and long term. But as it stands, you know, there's still a little bit more room for Bitcoin to come down. People might not like that, again, because your portfolio is going to fall a bit, but take those opportunities to stack up. That's what I think. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Cheers.